Welcome to the in front of me HTC Desire 628, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device in Muviz Edge application. So first we should just unlock the device, and now launch the Muviz Edge application. Here, as can you see, we got the applied over tab, so we should just tap here on the right upper corner on the settings icon, and here, as can you see, the always on display mode is activated, and just to turn it off, tap once on the switcher, and by this way you can just turn off the always on display on this device. So, and as can you see, we just successfully turned off the AOD feature on HTC Desire 628. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.